On the .direct login page, click the Forgot Password link under the password field. Enter your username and date of birth. Then click Reset Password. If the information you have provided matches Transport's records, a temporary password will be sent to the email address associated with your account. Copy or write down the temporary password, then click the link provided in the email to return to the .direct login page. Enter your username and the temporary password. Then click Login. You will then be required to create a new password. Type the temporary password into the current password field, then set a new password of your choice. Your new password must be at least 14 characters long and include at least one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, and a numeric digit. You also have the option of using a special character. Once you have done this, click the Set Password button. Now you have set a new password. You will be required to complete the two-factor authentication process to authenticate the change. An SMS containing a 6-digit code will be sent to the mobile phone number linked to your .direct account. Once you have received this code, type it into the field provided. Then, click the Verify button. You have now successfully changed your .direct password.